In this lecture, we are going to explore the friendship relationship we can set up to our own class template. Suppose we have our box container class we have been working on in this chapter so far, and it is working really well. But what we want to see is what happens if we set up a friend function or a friend class and make it have access to private parts of our own class template here. What do we need to be careful about? The first thing is that we have different kinds of combinations. For example, our friend may be non-template, or the friend can be a class or function template itself. And that's going to open a host of problems you need to be dealing with. We don't really have enough tools to understand all these things. So I am going to limit the focus of the friendship relationship to functions. And this is going to be only working for functions that take a parameter of our class template. Why am I doing this? Well, I want to do this because I want you to at least have the ability to set up stream output operators to your class templates without resorting to public getter methods that we have been using so far. So if we go back to our output stream operator for our class template, you see that this is a freestanding non-member function. It is going to take a parameter of our box container and it is going to be working on it. But so far we have been avoiding setting this guy as a friend because that would expose us to problems we weren't ready to deal with. And we're going to start looking at those problems starting in this lecture here or the next one. So we don't want to go through public methods like we are doing here. We want to be going directly through the member variables because now we will have the ability to set up this operator as a friend to our class template. Again, we want to have a chance to look at how to set up classes as friends to our own class template because that would really expose us to a lot of problems we don't want to deal with now. So let's do this starting in the next lecture and show you how you can set up a friend function to our own class template. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.